What did life look like in Britain before the Romans arrived? Welcome to the Iron Age, a world of roundhouses, powerful hill forts, skilled craftspeople, and striking works of Celtic art. In ArchaeoTrek's Iron Age program, pupils explore how communities across Britain and Europe organize their daily lives, build their homes, and shape their identities. Through archaeological evidence and vivid visual reconstructions, they discover how roundhouses were designed and built, and how their circular form reflects family life, social organization, and adaptation to the environment. Pupils also investigate the role of warriors, weapons, and hill forts, exploring how archaeology helps us understand power, status, and conflict in Iron Age societies. By examining burials, artifacts, and settlement layouts, they learn how landscapes, objects, and monuments reveal the way communities organized themselves and defended their territories. But the Iron Age was not only about warfare. It was also a world of extraordinary craftsmanship and visual expression. Through the study of Celtic art, pupils discover how intricate patterns and symbols found on jewelry mirrors, coins, and pottery express identity and cultural connections across Britain and continental Europe. The program also takes pupils beyond Britain to explore how Iron Age communities formed wide networks stretching from Britain to Central Europe, Italy, Greece, and beyond, exchanging goods, ideas, and artistic traditions across the ancient world. And students don't just learn about this world, they experience it. In our experimental archaeology workshops, they design and build mini roundhouses, create their own warrior shields, and craft Celtic-style jewelry inspired by Tène designs, discovering how experimentation helps archaeologists understand ancient skills, technologies, and ways of life. To see the full range of sessions and workshops available, visit the ArchaeoTrek website.